Today we have brought you the latest Tesla news. Tesla Megapack deliveries slip all the way to 2025 despite production ramp. Honda and Acura also adopting Tesla's NACS. Tesla's Cybertruck spotted on Glacier in Iceland for promo reel ahead of launch. And Elon Musk removes key feature from Cybertruck that people were most looking forward to. Let's get into all the details. So let's get started. Tesla Megapack's delivery timeline for new orders has slipped all the way to Q2 2025, despite the company ramping up production significantly with the new factory. The Megapack has become the to-go battery system for large utility-scale energy storage projects. Tesla launched the Megapack back in 2019. It was Tesla's third stationary energy storage product after the Powerwall and Powerpack. A single Megapack unit is a container-sized 3 MWh battery system with integrated modules, inverters, and thermal systems. With the bigger size and integrated power electronics, Tesla claims that the Megapack is 60% more energy dense than its Powerpack. It also comes on-site, ready to install, and can ship in containers. Last year, Tesla updated the Megapack with more capacity, 3.9 MWh, and made it a bit bigger. The product has helped Tesla massively ramp up the deployment of energy storage capacity, which is up 222% year-over-year. That's thanks to Tesla's relatively new megafactory in California. The company is trying to ramp up to an ambitious capacity of 40 GWh of Megapacks per year. Recently, Tesla has indicated that the ramp-up is going well and hundreds of Megapacks have been spotted coming out of the factory. At the end of last year, Tesla was telling new Megapack buyers to expect delivery in Q3 2024. Despite the significant ramp-up in Megapack production this year, Tesla has now pushed the closest delivery timeline on new orders to Q2 2025. It shows that Tesla is enjoying strong demand for the Megapack with a backlog of almost 2 years, despite Tesla now ramping up its annual Megapack production capacity to 40 GWh per year. Tesla is also building another megafactory in China to further expand its production capacity. We really like Tesla's energy approach. Not only is Megapack a great product for utilities, but Tesla is basically forcing their hand into investing in it. That's because if the electric utilities don't invest in energy storage capacity to strengthen the grid, ratepayers are going to invest in their own capacity and become their own electric utilities. Tesla offers great products to do that. So the energy storage capacity is going to get deployed either way as Powerwalls at the end users or as Megapacks with electric utilities. Moving to the next update, Honda and Acura also adopting Tesla's NACS. Tesla's charging technology is known to be among the best, leading to its competitors adopting its standards. Honda and Acura are the latest EV brands to get on the NACS connector train in North America. CEO of American Honda Motor, Nariya Kihara, confirmed the move in an interview. He said, "It is quite important. We also have to push NACS as well. It is clear." However, the details depend on General Motors, who owns the Ultium EV platform that the first electric Honda and Acura will ride on. GM itself has joined the NACS alliance with a planned switch from CCS1 in 2025. It is reasonable to expect Honda and Acura to switch around the same time. Honda, however, is working on its own EV platform, and the company might integrate NACS right off the bat. Speaking on what makes Tesla's NACS and superchargers attractive for EV makers in North America, Jay Joseph, Honda VP of Sustainability and Business Development, said, "If you look at what's so great about the Tesla supercharger network, it's the maintenance. They stay on top of it, they've got someone on site monitoring the equipment, they're monitoring it electronically and remotely, and they fix it fast. That's probably the most important thing." Texas has mandated charging stations to support Tesla's NACS to be eligible for federal funds. Meanwhile, other EV makers that have adopted NACS include Fisker, Nissan, Mercedes-Benz, and Ford. Moving to the next update, Tesla Cybertruck spotted on Glacier in Iceland for promo reel ahead of launch. A Tesla Cybertruck was spotted on a glacier in Iceland for what appears to be the filming of a promo reel ahead of the vehicle's launch. The start of Cybertruck deliveries is so close, we feel like we can smell it. If Tesla sticks to its latest production timeline for the Cybertruck, we are just weeks away from the start of production in numbers and the first deliveries to employees. We have been following closely to determine if that's possible, and we had a bunch of good signs lately, including Tesla Cybertrucks coming out of Giga Texas in numbers. Tesla also shipped some of those vehicles around the country, seemingly for crash testing and regulatory approval. Now we can add filming promotional content to the list. A Tesla Cybertruck was spotted on a glacier all the way in Iceland, and Tesla appears to be filming content with the vehicle. That's likely promotional content that is going to be used as part of the launch event or media content for the PR push that generally comes with a vehicle launch. Tesla has yet to announce a date for the Cybertruck launch, but CEO Elon Musk has talked about a delivery event at the end of the third quarter, which would mean at the end of September. That, along with the vehicles going around the country in the last few weeks, is a really good sign that Tesla is preparing to launch the Cybertruck imminently. We could see Tesla sticking to a launch at the end of September or slipping into October at the latest. Moving to the last update, Elon Musk removes key feature from Cybertruck that people were most looking forward to. The Tesla Cybertruck is in its initial production stage, and little by little, details of the all-electric pickup truck's production version are emerging. Now there's some bad news for soon-to-be owners of the Tesla Cybertruck. The American automaker is removing a key feature from the interior of the Cybertruck that people were pretty excited about. We've seen a million different versions and prototypes for the Cybertruck, and one of the early models had a bench seat at the front rather than two individual seats. This feature was designed for a dual purpose. First, it would have effectively made the Cybertruck a six-seater, and second, it would have been a nod to iconic all-American sedans from the 60s and 70s. Unfortunately or fortunately, depending on your point of view, the middle seat is gone. Long-term Tesla investor and Tesla owner Teslaconomics took to X to share this news. Elon, why did you get rid of the seat in the middle? It was one of the features I was most looking forward to, he said. Some speculated the seat may have been removed for safety reasons because it would have been quite tricky to add an airbag for the passenger in the middle. However, Jim French, another long-time Tesla investor and owner, said there's a different reason. I was told it was removed because the size of the truck was reduced to fit in a typical garage, French said. This would make sense. The first Cybertruck concept was so wide it wouldn't fit in a normal garage. Musk said on more than one occasion that in spite of the crazy looks, the Cybertruck has been designed to do everything which any other truck can do. And that, of course, includes the simple act of parking it inside your garage. However, best-selling pickup trucks like the F-150 and Silverado have 6 seats, and such vehicles' safety ratings are pretty good, with the former's 2022 variant receiving a top safety pick rating from the IAS. Tesla's focus on safety, however, is on a whole different level. Thus, if it were difficult to ensure that the front center seat is as safe as the pickup's other seats, then it would not be surprising to see Tesla discontinue the feature. That's it for now. So what are your thoughts about this? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned at the Electric Arena for all the latest Tesla and electric vehicle news.